Just to give you a perspective, my background before I went to ICTP, I was born and raised in a very small town called Gdami. It's about 700 kilometers from the capital. It's in the westmost of Oromia region of Ethiopia. The condition I grew up in were very far from ideal. We didn't have enough books beyond the standard classroom textbooks. We didn't have even a table to write on in our classrooms. There is a little promotion of fundamental sciences. After I came to MIT and talking with many students, I realized that students from more developed countries are introduced to physics and the fundamental sciences from early on. Like even in their primary and high school years, they knew what they want to do, even the particular research area they want to do. That was not the case for me. I didn't have that experience. I didn't even have a computer until I joined the university in Ethiopia. There were no books on popular science or physics, and on top of that, there's a lot of pushbacks against people who want to pursue those fundamental sciences, those sciences for which you cannot see the result immediately. But growing up, I liked mathematics and solving equations, but it was only in my last year of high school that I heard about quantum mechanics, and then I fell in love with it. Professor Halde was talking about atomic models. It was actually about the quantum mechanical model of atoms, and we learned about beta particles, which first showed that most of the atom is empty. Then it was like this: beta particles are emitted by nucleus. So there are neutrons and protons, and beta particles are emitted. But beta particles are negatively charged, and the nucleus is positively charged. So I asked my teacher, how come negatively charged particle come from inside of the positively charged particle? And my teacher told me that neutrons and protons are not really fundamental. They're substructure. If you could zoom out and look inside there are actually some other things. Then I started asking those questions. What's really fundamental? I still don't know. I'm asking that question. That's my research area. And there were no universities in Ethiopia that offer a course in theoretical physics, so I had to join applied physics. That also added to one of the inconveniences I had. But fortunately, even within the applied physics, one of my professors had been to ICTP to attend a conference. And when I told him that I'm interested in theoretical physics, he told me that I should look out for ICTP. So since my second year in university, I was preparing to come to ICTP. Then I finally came to ICTP and experienced what the Honorable Minister experienced. It was like stepping into a new world. In Ethiopia, I didn't have friends to share my passion of physics with. Then I came to ICTP. My friend Isai from Peru, like we wait until we leave the classroom